Hello summertime buyers and sellers, this is Dave Grime from the Grime team here again to showcase a great one-of-a-kind country property. Welcome to 071082 10th Line in East Garafraxa. There's a lot of great features to get to, so let's not waste any time and get down to the top 5 reasons why this country property is right for you. Reason number 5, get used to country living on this gorgeous lot. Its rolling landscape and mature trees are one of a kind. Located on a paved road in East Garafraxa, you'll notice its curb appeal as soon as you enter the driveway. Stunning perennial gardens adorn this 2.93 acre lot. And if you're into hiking or biking, the Elora Cataract Trailway is literally steps away. You'll be enjoying great views and tobogganing in the winter on this awesome country lot. But let's get to the next reason. Reason number 4. Now, covered porches are one of my favorite things, as I like to spend a lot of time outdoors, and with a covered porch, you can enjoy the fresh air even when it's raining. Not only is there a covered porch overlooking the gardens for your morning coffee, move to the bright covered back porch with views of the backyard for outdoor dining or an afternoon beverage. Now, we could spend all day in this gorgeous backyard, but let's go inside and check out the house. Reason number 3. Now this one-of-a-kind home has been fully updated from top to bottom. For years of maintenance-free living, we're talking new windows, roof, party board exterior, lighting, flooring, furnace and air conditioner, water treatment devices, and more. Now all those big-ticket items have been taken care of, but let's get on to the next reason for even more updates. Reason number 2, check out the gorgeous one-of-a-kind country kitchen with stainless steel appliances, plenty of covered space, Silestone and leathered granite counters, undermount lighting, and more. Not only that, all 4 bathrooms have been tastefully renovated. Upstairs, we have a nice 3-piece serving the upper bedrooms. The main floor 3-piece bathroom serves the main floor master, and the 2-piece powder room by the main floor laundry and family room has also been updated. Downstairs, we have another beauty bathroom with walk-in shower, and with private access through the garage, the lower level would make a great in-law suite or basement apartment. And reason number 1. On hot summer days like these, I love to showcase the top reason, an in-ground pool. Just off the covered back porch, this pool is perfect for cooling down on a hot day. Surrounded by more gardens and a pool house, it boasts a brand new liner, newer pump and heater for, again, years of maintenance-free living. What a fabulous country home with great modern updates. Thanks for watching our video tour of this one-of-a-kind home with a lot of one-of-a-kind features. Be sure to check out more information at 07108210thline.com. And until next time, it's Dave Grime. I'm going back to the pool.